Kentucky's unemployment website is now back up and running tonight after a possible cyber attack. While everything is working now, this is what users saw when they were trying to log in earlier today, an error message citing technical issues. According to social media posts from the Kentucky Career Center, the attack involved flooding the system with random login names to try to overwhelm it. However, the Office of Unemployment Insurance says none of the attempts were successful and that there was no breach of any personal information.